Hey guys, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got a box in the mail, and I chose to do this unboxing right next to my homemade Miller table project I'm working on, and a blue bowl and my gold panning set. Reason is, it's appropriate. This is something I ordered. I don't know if many of you probably do not know, I do have an LLC and a business license and a wholesale license. So I went and made a purchase with the idea of selling gold panning equipment. So I've been building up some stuff already, and I'm working on a store and everything you need, because this is fun for me. I'm loving this stuff. So I'll show you what I've got, some samplers that I purchased for my own self to try out. These are like squeezable tweezers, they're called tweezers. But basically you squeeze it and you can suck up your super fine flour gold. That's going to be very helpful for me. And I'm going to be putting together some gold panning kits for sale. There's those, and then I've got here, looked bigger on the photo. I think this is just for me to play with, but I want to look at it and see what I think. There's some samplers here. I'm going to be placing a bigger order. This was my first purchase from this company. I wanted to see how it is and you know, how fast their shipping and their processing and response time is. So this is a display box with feet. So you can display your rocks, minerals, fine gold, jewelry, I don't know. I just wanted to get it and check it out and see how it works. It's got a weird, oh, I see. Okay, it's got a plasticky material inside, so you put your thing inside and it seals over it. Oh, interesting. I'll check that out. So that's a display. And here we've got glass vials. I bought a bunch of these in bulk for putting your gold in. Oh, that's a nice size. That's perfect. That's absolutely perfect. Real glass vials with a lid. So once you suck up your fine gold with one of these, you can then dump it off in your vial. So I've got these for sale. 144 of them. I bought a mess of them. I'm going to get my store put together here pretty soon. And then I've got some weighing boats. So you can put your fine gold in these. They're super light and thin, and you can see your gold on there and put it on your scale. And it's hopefully anti-static. So I should have about, I don't know, 10 of them I think. But got those for weighing your gold. And then I got some various snuffer bottles. I've got 2 of each. There's 2 with caps and 2 without caps. So they're not ginormous, but with the gold I find around here, I don't need a really big bottle. So there's 2 like this. And again, just experimenting here, see what we got. I'm going to try out the various qualities and types. Oh, I see, this one has 2 caps. It's got one at a time in my hand. It's got the cap here comes off, and then you can slide that out or push it in, and then this cap comes off. That's different. That's convenient, so you don't lose your water. You can travel with that one in your pocket. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm saving the biggest for last. And then I got some different sized vials, although they look to be the same. I bought them separate just to check them out. Glass vials with a sealing lid. for your fine gold. And then a unique gold pan with a water spout, or whatever you call it, for the water to roll off. So what I want to explain with this, I hope I'm in my camera angle. Yeah. You're out there, you're shaking your gold, and then when you get your light stuff off, and when you tip it back and you want to see if there's gold in here, you can let some of the water run off, and that's pretty cool that it's got the water channel for letting your water run off. And that's a unique pan. I'm going to experiment with this, and if I like it, I'll be getting some for sale. I also have some others that I've had, some smaller ones I've been using and trying out already, and I'll be putting these up for sale here soon as well. I've got a mess of these, I think 40 of them. These are legitimate, made for an American company that is no longer in business, so I'm buying them by the box for resale. And as you can see, they got, I don't know if you can see it, they got some watermarks on them. I've been using these out here, experimenting with them, but I like these a lot because they've got a texture to them. And actually, so does this. This has got almost a bit of a texture to it, so you don't have to rough it up and prepare it like you do with most of your gold pans. I like the texture, so you don't have to season it. That's the word I'm thinking, the word I'm looking for. You don't have to season it. It's ready to go. You'll want to wash them, and then they're ready to pan for gold. So that's a unique design that I'm experimenting with right there. And I gotta finish setting up the store. I'll let you know when I'm ready. But I am setting up a gold panning and prospecting supply shop, and hopefully I'll be ready very soon to share that with you guys. And there's just a few parts, a few of the items I'm getting together for sale. I'll have a beginner's gold panning kit, and I don't care where you're located, there's gold to be found in a lot of places. You'd be surprised where you can find gold. If I can find it in my backyard in the middle of Michigan, which is not known for gold, you can probably find gold in most sandy areas, lakes, beaches. But I'll share that with you, and I'm probably going to include some information on panning for gold in my kit. So it'll be a really cool and unique kit. Well, there's a starter. I've got a black pan somewhere. Here's some of the products I've got that I'm shipping these off to a friend, but I want to get some photos before they go out. There's the black gold pan. Very nice. Huge base to get a lot of concentrates and materials in there in that pan. Really wide, and a massive round set of ridges to capture that gold when you're panning. This is a really unique design here. Also made for a company in America, so it's rigid, high quality. And I've been experimenting with these. And then there's the other ones I actually got for sale. I got these by the case. Nice and rigid, really nice ridges on there to keep the gold, and a textured surface. Both the black and the green have a textured surface, so I really like these so far. And I'll be putting them up on the store here soon as well. Pretty soon I'll be done, and I'll share that with you guys, because I think that this is fun for the whole family. This stuff, I'm serious, if you go out to the beach and you scoop up some stuff and pan it out with your kids, is just awesome fun, even if you don't find much. I don't expect to get rich off the gold I find in Michigan, but it's really fun for the family. We all go out and we all get out there and pan, and we have a blast. It's a good family activity. And I don't care where you are in America, you can probably find gold. So somewhere, you know, in the creeks and streams and whatever, it's fun. So I'll be sharing that when I'm done. I'll make up a video, and I'll go over the kit when I have it together, and we'll have different options for different pans that you can choose for your kit. But I'm having a blast. I hope you will too. I hope you'll all be interested. Tell me what you think ahead of time, guys, of my plan for a prospecting shop. Please do like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. You never know what I'm doing tomorrow. Talk to you all later.